Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma RF IgM test kit. You can see this here. It says ichroma RF IgM. You can see the reference part number, and then you can see the lot numbers given and manufacturing date and the expiry date. You can see the CE-IVD certified product. See, it can be stored in the room temperature, and this is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. The ichroma RF IgM is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of RF IgM in human whole blood serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of rheumatoid arthritis. For in vitro diagnostic use only. The box contains 25 cartridges, 25 detector tubes, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, and 1 instructional use manual. Just show you around the box. Here you can see the manufacturing location is Boditech made in corporation from Korea. The certification body is also mentioned here. Here this is. Okay, let me open this for you. Okay, here you go. Actually, in the box inside you can see the IFU. Just open this IFU completely. In the IFU you can see this says Rheumatoid Arthritis, ichroma RF IgM. You can see this IFU brochure has the complete information for you to conduct the test, from the principles, the components, the storage and stability, and you can see the limitations, materials information, sample collections and processing, test setup, test procedure, and you can see the interpretation of test results, quality control, and the performance characteristics. So you actually get the complete information to do your test. And further inside there is a detector tube. You can see ichroma RF IgM detector tube, which has the lot number and also the expiry date. It's also stored in the room temperature. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see the pack. It is a 25 test kit pack. Just keeping it here. Okay. And then you have one diluent buffer. You can see ichroma RF IgM detector diluent. And this also the lot number is mentioned and expiry date is mentioned. This can be kept in a room temperature actually. Yeah. And then inside you can see there is one ID chip which says ID chip RF IgM, lot number is mentioned. And then you get 25 cartridges here. Let me take two from this. You can see the cartridge here. It says ichroma RF IgM, lot number is mentioned and the expiry date. The CE marking is also provided, and you can see the application model on the back side. Yes, quickly to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of ichroma RF IgM test kit box. This is a 25 test kit box. In a 25 test kit box, you get one IFU brochure, 25 detector tubes, and one bottle of detector diluent, and 25 cartridges, and one ID chip. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.